guys, so I was just about to go to bed and I was ready to begin with my nighttime skincare regime. I was ready to apply some products on my skin when this guest just dropped by unannounced, and her name's Rose, and there she is. God, I hate her. I hate her so much. Like, things were going so well with my skin lately and this just had to happen. So we cannot do our regular skincare anymore. We've got to deal with her. We've got to take care of her because she's our guest. Even though we hate her, we still have to do some mehman nawazi. So for that, I'm gonna be using some different products. I'm not gonna use my regular skincare, but I'm gonna use skincare that actually helps to deal with acne and pimples. So for that, I'm going to be using tea tree infused products. This is a tea tree face wash by Mamaearth, and it's a foaming face wash with a brush. I've used this face wash before as well, but earlier it only contained tea tree oil. Now it comes with tea tree and salicylic acid both, and salicylic acid is an amazing ingredient for acne prone skin. It helps to deal with acne. It helps to get rid of them. It helps to prevent acne and all of that. So yeah, it's really good for acne prone skin. So I'm just applying the face wash all over my skin, and the brush is pretty gentle. It's made up of silicone and it's not harsh at all. In fact, it's really soft on the skin. So I'm just going to wash the face wash off and continue with my skincare. So I'm back after washing my face and my skin feels really clean and refreshed, and it doesn't even feel dry. So I'm going to move on to the second step, that is applying a serum. So I'm going to be using this Mamaearth Tea Tree Face Serum, and this contains tea tree and salicylic acid, which both help to dry out the acne. They help to kill the acne causing bacteria and they help to prevent further acne. So I'm just applying this like all over my skin. So I'm done with my nighttime skincare regime for my new guest, and I'm just gonna follow this same routine in the morning tomorrow again, and repeat it for a couple of more days until the acne goes away completely. And I'm gonna keep updating you guys on camera. I'm gonna keep doing the skincare routine in front of you and show you guys how many days it takes to get rid of our new guest. Good morning, you guys. I just came out of the shower and I washed my face using the tea tree face wash that we used last night. Let me just show you the condition of my skin. So as you can see, the pimple has subsided a little bit, and yeah, it's kind of dried out also. So I think this new skincare that we've been following has really been working, and it's actually worked overnight. So to follow up with the face wash, I'm gonna use the tea tree serum again, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. Okay, so I am done with my morning skincare routine. So I'm gonna see you tonight to check the situation of my pimple and to repeat this acne skincare routine. Okay, so it's day 2 and it's the third time that I'm gonna be performing the skincare routine. I just washed my face as usual using the tea tree face wash, and I'm about to use the tea tree serum now. And before that, let me just show you the condition of my skin. So the pimple has subsided to a great extent. It's just a tiny little bump that's left, although it's like really red. So we've got to deal with that now. But I do see a huge difference on my skin ever since I started with the skincare routine. The pimple didn't really pop up completely on my face. It started to subside ever since I started using the skincare routine. So yeah, I do think tea tree is really working for my skin, and the combination of tea tree and salicylic acid is proving to be a great solution for my acne. So I'm just gonna use the Mamaearth Tea Tree Serum again, and I'm just gonna apply it on my face directly. And really massage it in. I'm so sorry if I look tired. I'm actually very tired today. I did a very heavy workout, and it was also a filming day for me. So yeah, today's been a very tough day and I'm like super duper tired. So that was day 2 of my pimple situation. Let me just meet you guys tomorrow on day 3 and show you how things are. Good morning, you guys. So it's day 3 and it's the 4th time that I'm gonna be trying to get rid of this acne using some tea tree and salicylic acid infused products. So I just washed my face, like I had a bath and everything, and I applied some liner and lipstick and everything, and I was just about to do my base, and that's when I thought कि base apply करने से पहले ये pimple का थोड़ा काम तमाम कर लेते हैं. So I washed my face using the tea tree cleanser from Mamaearth, and इसका lid शायद मैं bathroom में ही भूल गई हूँ. Anyway, you should always cover it with the lid क्योंकि वरना ये brush पे बहुत धूल मिट्टी जम जाएगी. So you should always cover it with the lid. And now before I begin with my foundation and concealer application, I'm just gonna apply the Mamaearth Tea Tree Serum on my face. So I'm done with the application, and yeah, I almost forgot to show you the condition of my pimples. So here it is. This is how my skin looks like right now, and as you can see, the pimple has shrinked a lot than the first time that I showed it to you. Let me just give you a better close-up. So as you can see, जो पिंपल का टेक्सचर था वो ऑलमोस्ट चला गया है. माई स्किन इज़ लाइक 90% फ्लैट नाउ. इट्स नॉट बम्पी. द पिंपल इज़ नॉट अ बम्प एनी मोर. इट्स मोर लाइक अ मार्क. बस हल्का सा बम्प है, लाइक हल्का सा. सो या द स्किन केयर रूटीन इज़ एक्चुअली वर्किंग आउट, एंड द पिंपल हैज़ श्रिंक टू अ ग्रेट एक्सटेंट. एंड आई बिलीव दैट मे बी आज रात तक या कल सुबह तक इसको कम्प्लीटली चले जाना चाहिए. सिर्फ एक मार्क बचा रहेगा. सो या आई एम गोना सी यू टुनाइट. Okay, so I just had a bath. It's day 4 today, and I completely forgot to shoot last night. It was very late by the time I went to bed, and I just forgot to record this clip and everything. But I made it a point to cleanse my face and then apply the tea tree serum as well. So it's made a huge difference on my skin overnight. So this is how my skin looks like. The last time that you saw it was yesterday morning, and it's been almost 24 hours since then, and the acne has gone completely 100%. There is no bump at all on my skin. It's completely flat. I don't know if you can tell. It's completely flat, and that's just the acne mark, which has also reduced to a great extent, I would say. So it's not as red as it was earlier. So yes, this entire skincare routine has been really working out for me, and I'm just gonna apply the salicylic acid tea tree serum again on my skin for one last time, just in case if there's any bacteria left on my skin because of the pimple. So I'm just applying it on my cheeks and my forehead. And yeah, these products actually do seem to have worked for me, and you can also try them for your acne. And in case if you want to buy them, they're available on Amazon, Nykaa, and also on Mamaearth's website. And if you use my coupon code, that is RIA2021, then you can get a 20% off on Mamaearth's website. Also, the reason why I love shopping from Mamaearth's website is that they contribute a lot towards the environment as well. So Mamaearth is actually aiming to plant more than 1 million trees by 2025, and you can actually contribute to the environment every single time that you place orders from Mamaearth, because they link your order to a tree that they plant. And here's a screenshot of the tree that they planted against my order. So it's no joke, they actually do it. It's real, you guys. And by just ordering stuff from Mamaearth, you're actually contributing to the environment. And their products are also free from harmful chemicals like parabens, silicone, mineral oil, and all of those harmful things. So you know you're putting good stuff on your face, and they contain a lot of plant derived natural ingredients, and they're also cruelty free, so they're not doing any harm to the animals. They're not testing their products on animals, which is again an amazing thing. So yeah, you can try out these tea tree products by Mamaearth. They actually work in dealing with acne. You saw it for yourself, you saw the results for yourself, and I do feel like my skin has been glowing ever since I've been using these products. I don't know. So yeah, they have actually been working out for me, and I quite love what they've done to my skin. So I definitely do recommend you give them a shot for your acne as well. And yeah, with that I come to an end of this vlog. If you want me to like vlog more often regarding all of the problems that I face on my skin, on my hair and everything, then I can definitely do that. I really enjoyed like filming this 3-4 days wala vlog and showing you results real time. It was really fun, and yeah, let me know if you want to see, you know, more such vlogs. And if you're and if you found this video helpful, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for today.